for you.
Thanks.
DCD Enterprise in New York is officially underway. I'm on in like 15 minutes. It's wrapped up. It went about just as well as I think it could have. Had a ton of really good engagement from the audience and some really interesting for biometric applications inside of the data center that we hadn't quite considered. So this event's pretty unique in the fact that it's really based around day-to-day activities and operations of the data center. You'll see tracks and sessions on things like design and build, power and cooling, edge computing, so a little bit of colo and cloud stuff, but much more focused on how to actually operate a data center than it is to maybe the futuristic pieces of the data center. I thought I would just maybe share a couple of highlights from the day. So by far, probably the biggest highlight for me today was the Google presentation to kick off the event, and it was all really centered around sustainability. And it's unbelievable to me that by the end of 2017, Google will hit 100% renewable energy. Their investment into wind and solar energy is absolutely remarkable. And it's just unbelievable to see how far they've come and how they're shaping the landscape for what their peers can do to provide sustainability into these markets as well. The other was a comment made by the head of Uber Commute, Dean Nielsen, when he said, "The world doesn't understand the criticality of this industry." And I thought this really just helped put things in perspective. See, you have to understand that every single person that's here today is responsible for keeping the app, service, cloud, or program that you ask so much of online all the time. The last one from you was actually a presentation by one of our partners, Switch Communications. Was talking about the advantages of using co-location. So there's a continued debate between enterprise business data center operators about should they use co-location and to what extent. And as you look at what Switch is doing for the marketplace, it is extremely, extremely powerful. They've given all of their customers the ability to come together as a buying collective so that over 1,000 customers can purchase connectivity at scale and actually find buying power. And what's amazing about this to me is it's actually putting the best interest of the customer first. And I thought that was just fantastic.